Hi, and welcome to another video by Jim the Car Guy. Today we have an older Honda. It's a 2001. It's a Civic. Most of the 2001s to 2005 or 2006 have all the same problem. You'll get in the vehicle to either open up the trunk or open up the gas cap door, and you'll pull or push the lever. I think you pull it, it pops up okay. That pulls the trunk open. But when you push it down to pop the door open for the gas cap, it doesn't open. You can push it down, you can feel it moving, but it doesn't pop down. You can pull it to pull the trunk open, and you heard the trunk pop open. The trunk did open up in the back right there. But now when you push it down, you should be able to push it and the gas cap open. But as you can see, nothing's happening with the gas cap. All right, so what we're going to do now is we're going to come in here. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to remove this cover right in here. We're going to then come up underneath the bottom over here. We're going to remove this kick panel right here, and then we are going to take out this piece right here. But before we do that, we're going to pop that cover off right there. There should be a Phillips head screw here or here, someplace in there. There's a Phillips head screw, and then we're going to take this off to gain access to this piece down over here. So, all right, let's get set up and let's get started. And the way you do it is we need to get around the back over here and just pull this piece out like that, and here, and just to pull it around like this, and then we'll just take this piece here like that out. There's really nothing to hold it in. It's just held around with these clips here. So we're going to put this off to the side right now. Come up underneath here. We're just going to lift this out, and we're going to pull it just like that, and we'll take it out. And these are little push pins here that actually hold it in place. It looks like this one stayed up in there. So we're going to put this off to the side. Then we're going to take off this little cover right down over here. Just take that little cover and you lift it off with your screwdriver. Oh, we're going to take out that Phillips head screw right here. I'll put that to the side for now. And now we're going to take this panel off here. What I find the easiest way to take this panel off is move the seat forward first. So we're going to move the seat forward. We're going to come down in the back right over here, and we're just going to pull out. There should be a pin, like a push pin, right down inside there. We're going to pull that out. Just like that. You saw that pop out. Now after that pops out, we're just going to come up underneath here with the screwdriver. Just lift it up, just like that. And now we're going to push your seat back. And then we'll take out this piece up in the front, right here. Be careful, you don't want to break anything. I'll show you what's catching here in a second. This little clip right here was caught around the wiring harness. Alright, now these clips here, they look like they're missing already or broken, so we're going to put new ones in here when we put this back together. Alright, now the next thing we're going to do is this piece right up inside here. Let's bring it in there so you can see. You know what, let me grab a light. Okay, now you see this little cable right down to the bottom right there? That's the problem. You can push it down and it pulls forward, see? Like this, that opens up the trunk. But when you pull it up, this piece you lift it up like this. You see that cable? Let's get this out here so you can see a little better. Okay, I just pulled that back like that so you can see it. But you see that cable now? This way here, you see right here how it's moving? And when you push it this way, you see how the cable pushes out? This little plastic piece broke right here. So they do make a repair kit for this. I've used it before and it seems to work pretty good. So let me order up that repair kit, and once I have it in hand, we'll come back and we'll take that out. You know what? In the meantime, let's take this out right here. There's a little 10mm screw. Actually, it's probably more like a 8mm. We're going to take that screw out. Just to loosen a little bit. You don't have to take it totally out. You take this, slide it forward. You see how it's slotted right here? And that's the problem right there. See right here? So the metal piece is still on here that holds the cable in place, but the cable has pulled out of the housing there. Now you can, some people I've seen glue them, I've seen people tape them. That doesn't work. But if you get this repair kit, you'll see it works really good. So let me get that repair kit, and we'll come back and continue. Okay, so let's open it up and see what we have in the kit there. Okay, this calls for glasses, this job. All right, let's open it up. Well, it looks like these bands just actually hold the cable connector on. So let's put it on and connect it up. Now we're just going to push. I hope you can see this okay. We're going to take this and we're going to put it around. I'm going to try to do it so you can see. It goes around like this. Just like that. A little bit tight in here, but I'll show you in just a second as soon as I get it in. Okay, see, that's how it goes like that. We put this, I'll show you here. We put this clip into one of those grooves right there. There's a groove right there. And then we'll take this clip here, and we're going to put it over the top, and that'll hold it together. We're just going to push this clip around here. And let me grab a smaller screwdriver, and I'll come right back. So we're going to put it into that groove right there. You see this groove right here? That's where this clip is going to go, and around this other piece right here. So we're just going to push it together where it goes. And then we'll put this around here, like that, like this, and then we'll just put these clips back on. Okay, that's the one clip, and now we're going to put our second clip on as well. Alright, and that's it. So that's how it is now, all back together. And we're going to put this back on temporarily, just like that. Then we'll screw this back down. Okay, and now we're going to tighten it up. Okay, now let me bring you in there, I'll show you how it works. You see that? Now that cable is being held in by that clip right there. So now we know we can push it down, opens up the trunk, and we can pull it up, and it opens up our gas cap. Okay, okay, so now we have this all back together here. Make sure your bolt is tight here, and we'll start putting this back together. Okay, so that's it. We're all set. All right, it is a lot less expensive doing the replacement of just that little piece on the end of it. It works perfectly. That clip will actually outlast the vehicle now. I've done them years ago, and I've never seen them back again with that issue. So, all right, it's not that cheap. I mean, it is a lot cheaper replacing just that portion of it versus the whole cable. All right, as always, thanks for watching. See you on the next one.